Hey guys, before we start this video, I have words for you. Like, subscribe, and ring the bell for notifications. Comment down below to request or tell us what you think. Now what have I missed? Aha, now I get it. Be sure to find the hidden AI version of Spike, which is myself. If you find her, please comment what's the timestamp so I know where she is. Anyways, this is your host Spike signing off. Please enjoy the video.
Okay class, today we're going to learn math.
Oh no, not math. What should I do? I know. Miss Martin, Miss Martin, Miss Martin, Miss Martin, can I go to the bathroom?
Yes, but be quick and don't do anything bad.
Okay. Looks like the coast is clear. Now time to set off the fire alarm.
Oh no, there must be a fire. Please follow me in single file. Now was here. Classic Caillou.
Here.
Brian.
Evacuate the building
Here.
using the nearest fire exit.
Bob.
Evacuate the building using the nearest fire exit.
Good, everyone is here. And the fire alarm has stopped. Let's go back to class. Now where was I? Oh yeah, okay class, let's do math.
Classic Caillou, please come to my office.
Oh no. What is it?
The reason why I called you here is because you pulled the fire alarm when Terry Snow fire.
How did you know?
It's because I saw you do it on the security cameras. Did you really pull the fire alarm?
Yes, I did.
Oh. Classic Caillou, how dare you pull the fire alarm? You know that is illegal. That's it. You're suspended for 155,346,898,656,768 years. Leave my school now.
Classic Caillou, how dare you pull the fire alarm at school? That's it.
You're grounded for 153278945813678943434566467 years. Go to your room right now.